problem number 4, what I want to do is I want to remember that 2 squared is equal to 4, 3 squared is equal to 9, and that 4 squared is equal to 16, and that 5 squared is equal to 25. And so what I want to do is I want to look for a perfect square that goes into 18. Now 18 can be 1 times 18, 18 can be 2 times 9, 18 can be 3 times 6. And I'm going to choose this one because I have this perfect square of 3 squared, which is 9. So I can rewrite this as 9 root 9 times root 2. That's the property of radicals. We can do that. But I know, because 3 squared equals 9, that the square root of 9 is actually 3. And that's our final simplified answer.